Hey, Oliver, look. What is that? What is it? Uh-oh. Almost there. You got it. Good job. Good job. Yeah, you're so excited about it. You got it? Something about those long necks. You like those long necks. Yeah. Yeah.